The Honda Shadow 750 returns in the 2026 update with a bold presence, carrying forward its legendary cruiser DNA while embracing a big, heavy, and muscular design. This update is not about chasing trends. It is about refining strength, stability, and timeless road authority. Honda has positioned this model as a professional, base-level cruiser that feels premium without losing its raw soul on May wheels. We take a deep look at what makes this new Shadow 750 stand out. In today's cruiser segment, Big and Heavy Design Philosophy, the updated Honda Shadow 750 proudly wears a large and heavyweight stance, giving it serious road dominance. The long wheelbase, low seat height, and wide body proportions create a planted and confident look. This is a motorcycle designed to feel solid under the rider, offering stability on highways and confidence in city cruising. The weight distribution is balanced, making the bike feel heavy in appearance but controlled in motion. New look with classic cruiser identity. Honda has carefully refreshed the Shadow 750 styling without losing its classic cruiser charm. The new look features sharper body lines, a more sculpted fuel tank, and improved panel finishing. Chrome accents are used strategically to enhance the premium feel, while darker tones give the bike a modern edge. The overall design speaks to riders who want tradition with a refined, updated personality professional base model appeal. This update focuses on delivering a professional base model that feels complete straight from launch. Honda avoids unnecessary complexity, instead offering a clean, purposeful design that appeals to both new cruiser riders and experienced enthusiasts. The Shadow 750 feels like a reliable workhorse, simple, strong, and built for long-term ownership. It's a motorcycle that values function as much as form, engine performance, and smooth power delivery. At the heart of the Honda Shadow 750 is its proven V-twin engine. Known for smooth torque delivery and relaxed cruising performance, the engine is tuned for comfort and control, rather than aggressive speed, making it ideal for long rides. Throttle response is predictable. Power builds smoothly, and the exhaust note delivers a deep, satisfying cruiser sound that defines the Shadow experience. Riding comfort and stability. Comfort remains one of the Shadow 750's strongest points. The low seating position, relaxed handlebar reach, and forward set foot controls create an easy-going riding posture. The heavy build improves highway stability, reducing vibrations and enhancing rider confidence at higher speeds. Whether cruising solo or covering long distances, the bike feels calm and composed. Build quality and reliability. Honda's reputation for durability is clearly reflected in this update. The Shadow 750 is built with solid materials, strong frame construction, and reliable components. This motorcycle is designed to last, making it an excellent choice for riders who want low maintenance and long-term dependability. The finish quality reinforces the professional image. Honda aims to deliver launch impact and market position. With its updated design and refined character, the Honda Shadow 750 positions itself as a strong contender in the midweight cruiser segment. It appeals to riders who want a big, heavy cruiser feel. Without stepping into extreme displacement territory, the launch highlights Honda's commitment to evolving classics while respecting their roots. Final thoughts: a cruiser with authority. The 2020-2026 updated Honda Shadow 750 is not flashy. It is confident, bold, and purposeful. Its new look, heavy design, and professional base appeal make it a cruiser that commands respect on the road. For riders who value comfort, reliability, and timeless style, the Shadow 750 continues to be a powerful statement. This detailed breakdown is brought to you by May Wheels, where machines are explored beyond the surface.